The Owen James Report is brought to you by...
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply. Tell your loved ones overseas to send your money transfer with MoneyGram, and you could win thousands of prizes, including a trip to Brazil in 2014. Between August 15 and December 31, pick up your money at a Lasco MoneyGram location, and you could win the grand prize of an all-expense-paid trip for two to Brazil, or one of 20 Lasco baskets, or one of 80 prizes of $200 Digicel credits weekly. Plus, you could double your money transfers for the month up to $50,000. Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.
Good evening, this is the Owen James Report, and we begin with news on the foreign exchange market, where amid seasonally high demand for foreign exchange, the American dollar is just 3 cents short of the $106 Jamaican mark. Both the US dollar and the British pound strengthened while the Canadian dollar weakened. The greenback jumped by 17 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $105.97, a new record high average selling rate. The British pound strengthened by 68 cents Jamaican to close at $172.14. However, the Canadian dollar closed 50 Jamaican cents lower at $101.34. Of note is the fact that sales of foreign exchange outstripped purchases by 9%, and the greenback peaked as high as $109.67 in the marketplace. News on the market now, and trading on the Jamaican Stock Exchange was exceptionally moderate today, with just over 1.4 million shares changing hands. The Gleaner, which traded firm at $1.11, accounted for a third of such trades. Winners outperformed losers by better than 3 to 1, triggering modest advances in the indices. The main JC index advanced by 86 points, or tenths of 1%. 24 stocks traded, with 14 advancing, 4 declining, and 6 holding firm. Winners included the microfinance company Access Financial Services, up almost 15%. Siboney, the day's big winner, up 60%. General Accident, JMMB, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Manufacturing, NCB, Panjam Investment Trust, and Sagicor Investments, and Scotia Group and Scotia Investments. The losers were Berger, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, and Hardware and Lumber. C2W Music, the first startup to be listed on the junior market, is reporting poor 9-month results. In fact, burdened by administrative and other expenses, the company is showing accumulated 9-month losses of over $1.1 million for the period ended September 30 this year. Now, C2W Music, which was listed on the junior market on May 29 last year, seeks to create a return on investment for investors through the creation of copyrights. Now, according to the company, it has so far acquired over 900 copyrights, which exceeded expectations, but the collection of such royalties cannot occur until after the copyrighted materials are released and begin to make money. In the meantime, expenses have been mounting, and during the 9-month period ended September 30, administrative expenses alone increased by $164,000 or 60% to $437,000. Finally, on the Jamaican dollar money market, Signal 30-day rates traded within a band of 8.75 to 9%, while overnight market rates traded between 4.5 to 5%. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by...
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.